Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your publisher landing page. This page acts as a one-stop shop for book buyers to find your seasonal and custom catalogs, as well as links to your website and your social media accounts. First, head over to bnccatalist.ca. We'll start by exploring what a publisher landing page looks like in CataList. You can view any publisher's landing page by browsing or searching the publisher list on the CataList homepage and clicking the publisher whose landing page you'd like to see. Each landing page will display, if provided, the publisher's name, their logo, their website and social media links, and their contact and location information. We'll talk about how you can add these to your own landing page in just a moment. The primary purpose of a publisher landing page is to provide a listing of a publisher's catalogs. Thumbnails for seasonal and monthly catalogs are displayed by type, according to year and season. Use the links at the top of the page to jump to the desired section. You can also view a list of a publisher's archived catalogs. These are typically older catalogs that are moved out of the main landing page to keep things looking clean and tidy. Links to any public custom catalogs created by the publisher display in the right-hand sidebar beneath the company details. Publishers with more than one imprint or product line will also have an imprint list. Click on an imprint in the list or choose one from the drop-down list at the top of the page to view only catalogs associated with the imprint you selected. Now that we've seen what a publisher landing page looks like, let's go through the process of setting one up. To get started, make sure that you're logged into your CataList account. You must be set up as an account manager or a catalog editor in a publisher type account to edit your publisher landing page. Open your settings by clicking on the gear icon or your username and choosing the publisher page option. Begin your landing page setup by uploading your company logo. This logo will display on your publisher page, as well as the title detail page of any ISBNs you add to CataList. Make sure the image file that you want to upload is the right size and format. Click the Image Requirements link to see the requirements for publisher logos in CataList. When you're ready, click the Browse for a Logo button and select the correct logo file from your computer. Make any desired edits to your company name in the Publisher Name field. When you're happy with the logo and your publisher name, click the OK button. If your publishing company has multiple product lines, imprints, or client publishers associated with it, you can create an imprint for each one by clicking the Add an Imprint button. This will allow you to link catalogs directly to your imprints and further organize your landing page. Upload a logo file and give your imprint a name. Note that the imprint logo you upload will display on the title detail page rather than your publisher logo for titles associated with that imprint. When you're done, click the OK button to save. If you need to update your imprint, click the Edit button. You can change the logo and imprint name or deactivate the imprint if you no longer wish for it to appear on your publisher page. Next, help CataList users find you on the internet by adding up to 5 web links to display on your publisher page. For example, you can add a link to the homepage of your corporate website, as well as links to your blog or news and events pages. Once you've added a website, you can change it or delete it by using the Edit and Remove buttons if necessary. Next, encourage CataList users to join your social communities by adding links to your social media profiles. CataList will create follow buttons for sites such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and more. The optional contact section allows you to display contact information for your company to logged-in CataList users. This is useful if you want to make sure that emails are sent to an account that is always monitored, or one that you've designated specifically for replying to queries originating from CataList. Finally, you can add up to 3 company addresses to your publisher landing page. You only need to include addresses that are meaningful to your business or your customers. Use the header field to identify the different locations, such as West Coast office or warehouse. Once you've added all the information you want to display on your publisher landing page, you can click the View Publisher Page button at the top of the screen to review your work. You can also find a link to your publisher landing page in the publisher list on the CataList homepage. To be included in the list, all you have to do is publish a seasonal catalog. Congratulations on setting up your publisher landing page. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.